This guy is doing something completely wrong. He's mouth taping at night for better sleep, which is good. He's still going to get the benefits of a sharper jawline and he's going to sleep amazing. But the mistake Ashton Hall is making is that the brand of mouth tape he picked is not made of silk, and this can irritate your skin over time. When you mouth tape at night, it prevents you from mouth breathing, which can be detrimental to your health and even reshape the way your face looks over time. I went with this company Snore because the ingredients they use are completely safe, and it's the only brand I've found that come with 30 of these nose strips for completely free. If you guys want to make this small investment on yourself for a huge investment on your health, I dropped the link below.